There's a fruit store on our street. It's run by a Greek, and he keeps good things to eat. But you should hear him speak. When you ask him anything, he never answers no. He just yeses you to death, and as he takes your dough, he tells you, yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today. We've string beans and onions, cab buggers and scallions, and all kinds of fruit and say. We have an old-fashioned tomato, Long Island potato, but yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today. He's got pickles in a jar and olives in a pail, and 20 kinds of garlic that could knock a train off the rail. He'll sell you grapes by the dozen or melons by the ton, and when you ask for peaches, he says, bananas? I got none! But Nesness got so good with him, he wrote home to say, send me Pete and Nick and Jim, I need help right away. When he got them in the store, there was fun, you bet. Someone asked for sparrow grass, and the whole quartet all answered, yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today. Our eggs are delicious, but they act suspicious. They look like they passed away. And if you try some of our spinach, we'll tell you you're finished. But yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today. He's got onions by the stack and pumpkins by the pound, and every time you walk in, there's a brand new sound. The brothers sing in harmony, the customers sway, and still they shout together, no bananas today. Yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today. We'll sell you some Swiss cheese. When you open up this cheese, it gets up and walks away. We got those imported strawberries from fine cemeteries. But yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today. He tried to grow bananas in a backyard pot, but the cat slept in the planter, and that's all he got. Now every time he waters it, he sighs and prays, maybe they'll grow tomorrow, but not today. Yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today. Our grapefruit, I'll bet you, is not gonna wet you. We drain them out every day. We got those hen fruit. Have you tried them? Live chickens inside them. But yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today. He once sold a raisin that could dance and sing, a cabbage that could whistle, and an onion with a ring. He swears by his produce, it's fresh in its way, except for the bananas, they're gone, he'll say. Yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today. We just killed a pony, so try our bologna. It's flavored with oats and hay. We have those New Hampshire squashes. They taste like golashes. But yes, we have no bananas. We have no bananas today. He's got carrots in a crate and beans on display, a pineapple piano and a melon bouquet. The store is a circus, the crowd's in a fray, but the only thing missing is bananas, hooray! Yes, we have no bananas, we have no bananas today. Our famous cucumbers were tested by plumbers, and they cannot leak, they say. We have some nice vegetables, just look at the labels. But yes, we have no bananas, we have no bananas today. So if you want a bargain, or maybe a chat, he'll sell you something funny, you can't beat that. But ask for a banana, and he'll turn away. Try some celery, friend, but not today. Yes, we have no bananas, we have no bananas today. We have asparagus that's good for lumbagus, and grapefruit that's turning gray. And you can take home for the women's nice juicy persimmons. But yes, we have no bananas, we have no bananas today. He dreams of a ship from across the sea, loaded with bananas just for he. Till then he smiles in his own old way and shouts to the crowd, no bananas today. Yes, we have no bananas, we have no bananas today. Just try those cocoa nuts, those walnuts and donuts, there ain't many nuts today. We'll sell you two kinds of red herring, dark brown and ball bearing.